To determine your loan eligibility at Bank of Baroda, follow these steps. First, identify the type of loan you need, such as a personal loan, home loan, or car loan, as each has different eligibility criteria. Next, check your credit score, which is a crucial factor in determining loan eligibility. A good credit score can increase your chances of getting a loan at a lower interest rate. You can check your credit score for free on various online platforms. Then, calculate your income and expenses to determine your debt-to-income ratio. This ratio should be as low as possible, ideally below 50%, to increase your loan eligibility. After that, gather the required documents, including your identity proof, address proof, income proof, and employment proof. Make sure all documents are up to date and in order. Now, use the Bank of Baroda Loan Eligibility Calculator, available on their official website, to get an estimate of your loan eligibility. This calculator will ask for your income, expenses, credit score, and other details to provide an approximate loan amount you are eligible for. In addition, consider your employment history and stability, as a stable job with a steady income can improve your loan eligibility. Finally, visit the Bank of Baroda website or visit a branch to apply for the loan and submit the required documents. The bank will then verify your documents and credit score to determine your final loan eligibility. By following these steps, you can easily determine your loan eligibility at Bank of Baroda and apply for a loan that suits your needs. Remember to always check the interest rates and repayment terms before applying for a loan to make an informed decision.